That's the second elevator from Otis, fully panoramic, full glass, 14 people capacity, and that capacity is not common in other villas, by the way. The staircase by itself is a remarkable feature. It's truly mind-boggling. It's not just a floating staircase, and I say floating staircase as it's not connected to the walls. It's not just that, but also because of the designer's attention to the details. All these cables are precisely aligned along with the same holes, converging at a single point, running from the basement all the way to the rooftop ceilings, linking all the full 4 floors seamlessly. Additionally, each step passes through 3 holes. Consider the precision required to align every step with the other, creating a perfectly straight line all the way to the rooftop. And not only that, behind the staircase, you find 22 meters of glass from the very bottom all the way to the rooftop. Let's go to the first floor. Now, moving on, you will discover additional seating area, ideal as a family room on the first floor. Again, with this beautiful glass system by Gutmann, all big panels are motorized. It gracefully opens to a spacious outdoor balcony, providing a serene view of the lush greenery, the pool, and the elegant palm trees. The atmosphere here is quite refreshing. You will also notice some attractive shelvings, a TV unit. Additionally, there is a convenient waterfall edge island from Scavolini, feature prep sink from Frank, induction cooktop, a built-in fridge, and some extra storage. Before we step into the master bedroom, it's important to note that every door in this house sourced from Italy, Lualdi. It stands at a height of approximately 2.75 meters, crafted from fine wood, brushed stainless steel frames and handles. These doors are a testament to the home's meticulous attention to details. This wing leads to the luxurious master bedroom, where the aesthetics are truly captivating. The flooring features an exquisite combination of Swiss parquet and white marble, creating a beautiful visual contrast. The king-size bed, although grand, appears modest when placed within a generously proportioned room. A beautiful bench complements the decoration. Not only this, of course, Hermes seating area and the mirrored walls add to the room's allure. Arriving here, you will find your bed perfectly oriented to capture the captivating views. Just in front of your bed, sliding doors lead to your private balcony, which features a magnificent tree that adds a touch of natural beauty. Once more, the impressive ceiling heights, 4.2 meters, and the overall scale of the room create an amazing atmosphere.